students, so today we are going to do the question answers of the poem Storyteller. Question number 1 is, when were the stories told to the children? Answer, the stories were told to the children at the night time. Question number 2, how do we know the children were comfortable and ease? The children were comfortable and at ease because they have done all their work and now they are going to sleep. Question number 3 is, how do we know the stories were interesting to the children? The stories were interesting to the children because the grandfather was telling them wonderful and suspenseful stories and the children were listening in awe. Question number 4 is, what are fables of yore? Answer is, the fables of yore are the short stories with a lesson happened in the past. Question number 5, when would the shadows creep and phantoms appear? The shadows would creep and the phantoms would appear at night, if first the children would not pray before sleeping.